best friend.
This is Roy.
Oh, this is recording.
He makes love to my cow and math.
She's funny.
He knows he does. I'll come help you. I miss Gambino.
She is.
You think she's cute? Roy has a crush on one of our teachers.
Miss Gambino.
I don't really have a crush on her.
That is not a new phone.
No, I know, but why would you call me during class and then leave a voicemail? You must be really bored during class. How? You know how shoelaces in? I forgot to put them in this morning. Mine was
I love
kick
you.
rocks.
Alex!
Are you wearing blue?
Kelsey!
Put these on.
I'm wearing blue.
The red ones would go better. Here.
Yeah, they would.
That's why you're not supposed to have. Hey, I'm gonna cut you bald one day. Look, I don't sit behind you or anything like that.
See, isn't she hot? She's hot.
Retarded.
My shirt's falling down. Like, woo! Roy makes fun of my facial expressions.
She's always doing stuff. I gotta learn how to do that little fishy thing. I can't do that.
I can do it better! I hope you know you in my ear. Bye.
Where's the blue ones?